Dane. You can't let me in because you lock me out, you know.
If you turn out the roadside and call.
Alright, sir. Mister, come in, come in. There. Oh, that's so big. And it all get bigger, you know. You can see, say. What going, Dean? How you do?
Not too bad.
Why we can't walk up again? We have to just stay at gate and wait.
Please come in.
Would they look for your sauce up right over the house stop?
Okay.
Ah,
My respect, boss.
Yes.
busy a record.
Our respect.
Yeah, man, I go and lay down
Relax.
watch one prayer upon the TV.
Oh, okay, okay.
A long time when I see the eye, you know.
Yes,
That's true.
Easy ups and down. And then me alone in the world that try fail.
Yes, yes. So I go still. So we bring you one package in. Yes. We have a donor from New York. And she sent you a package. See all your name on it. So this is yours.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Yes, man.
Well, who is this donor?
It's an anonymous donor from New York.
Okay. Well, tell this donor plenty thanks.
You tell her.
She go see it. Yes.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Thank you very much for this gift.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Although a long time I don't see you, no?
A long time you don't see us, it's true.
That still me couldn't remember me. But you not fling me way too far.
No.
That's a dash you fling you away, but we not dash you away.
Okay. Because I know say a lot of people. Millions of people in this here. No one, no two, no three. I watch it on the TV regular, you know.
Yes, man. Yes. You look well, though, man.
Yeah, but I try to see if I can look better than the past.
Yeah. So how things now? How have things been going?
Well, kind of poco see me from January, I don't do no work.
You
But
not do no work from January?
no. But I still have 1 or 2 down where send like food stuff for me.
Yeah, yeah.
So
So
I
yeah,
go and survive and give God thanks.
yes. Yeah, man, that's wonderful to hear.
I give enough thanks to those people.
Yeah, man.
All who consider me. Yeah, man.
Yeah. We're happy to see you though, and you make some improvement to the place though. Put on all the gate and something.
Bring the tank come around, sir.
Yeah.
And set up the catchment there,
Yeah,
so
because one whole heap of leaf did
go in the tank.
Yeah,
Oh, because of the trees.
yeah, so I put it there, so I put on mesh over it. And it's full now.
Okay. So you get the water in the house. You come out and catch it from the
No.
pipe. Oh, you
We
run
pipe
one.
it up back around that way.
Oh, so you have one pipe round
You get a
about.
better flow, that's true from
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's very good.
Yeah, man. You have cat?
Yeah, we have cats.
Oh, because we have some kitten there.
You have kitten, the small one.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was fast.
Yeah, 5 of them, we did have 1 dead. And we give one friend 1. And we have 3 leave.
Oh, okay. We have 2 big posts and then a cat again, right?
You know what
Well, I'll tell you no lie, me not give him one, none of them the fall there. No, sir.
with them teeth like puss.
Yep. Yeah, me not give him one of them no fall. See them up on the veranda, see them a look. Yeah.
Let me see them.
We not give them no problem.
You see them, Martha?
They not give me no problem. I'm the greatest company them.
Yeah.
As me bust it one morning time, and them. Anytime I look about something, and them on my foot like a mouse with step on some of them. So we have to be careful.
And it seems like you love cats today.
Yes, man. Because I'm afraid of rat and roach and then something.
Oh, okay.
Me not use poison. Afraid of poison like whoa.
So poison like poison.
Yeah, so if you avoid poison,
You just keep the cat.
yeah. I have a friend that give me some milk powder.
Yeah.
If I'm foreign and give me some milk powder, so I mix the milk powder for them.
Yeah.
And then comfortable.
So where the mother there?
The mother there around the same way. See mother there. Right at the step. So.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey,
she
mother
get biggie.
Yeah.
She
Kitty,
really big.
come. Come.
She's crying.
Come. Hey, when me calling me, come, man. Come.
Sure.
Come, Kitty, come.
Ah!
That's how me and them live, man.
They're cute though.
Yeah, so me have to fence up a place for a dog. For, yeah.
It's a good thing. You see, I see them cats. I should have want to carry me all of them.
Yeah, them there, and them mother make 4.
Yeah. One day I me give her one.
They're cute though.
Yeah. If you know how to fight hard to go them. Yeah, because the mother have them a bush.
Oh, so I forgot to carry them.
Me see them come out one, so me see them come out, me capture him and lock him up on the veranda.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice
And give
cat.
them some sawdust to go and play now.
I forgot to carry food too. Can't give me care discipline them free.
No, sir. You don't want to spoil them.
Why you lock them up because they teeth?
No, they have no privilege, you know, because they then go out and come out when they're ready. But me not giving them, none of them no bad name, they're no thief. Even the mother cat, me can't tell her so me put on nothing and miss it same time. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And what am I doing? What am I feed now?
Yeah, them a feed.
Alright, Dean, so you know we're glad to come and see you and everything. You said things poke up, but you still, managed to get by with the help of donors who continue to help you.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So happy to see you, and just want to say thanks to our donor out of New York. Thank you so much for what you have sent for Dean. He would have already said thank you. So to everyone else, thanks so much for always watching, for always supporting, and until next time, thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank both of you.
Yes.
And thank the donor.
Yes.
Yeah, very much.
All right.
Dean.